You see, the last time I felt love, can't lie, it was so divine. I had peace of mind all the time, and then one day a storm appeared and blew my paradise away. Now I'm so sad and blue, my paradise has been destroyed. What do I do? Blame the world, blame me, blame her. I'm so confused. I want to love again, but trust won't let me do that. No. Do you hear that? Did you hear that? Oh, the sound of a broken heart. The sound of a broken heart. I know what your voice sound like. This is what mine sound like. The song of a broken heart. You see, I played the fool over and over and over again. Why do I lose? Tell me why I lose. We had the type of love people hated. Always said that we won't make it. Said our hearts would end up breaking, and it turned out true. My paradise has been destroyed. What do I do? Blame the world, blame me, blame her. Oh, so much hurt and pain. We know it. My heart began to sing.
I ain't trying to get you wrong.
The sound of a broken heart. 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 I don't know what your voice sound like. This is what mine sound like. The song of a broken heart. Just listen. The sound of a broken.
Anyway, that shit's being played this Sunday. You gotta sing that shit hard. You gotta sing that shit like you mean it. You gotta sing it like you got your shirts blowing in the wind.